Hello friends, this is Anubhav. Today I am going to show you how to edit videos and then create videos using PowerPoint. So let's get started. First of all, go to Insert and here we'll start video. I'm choosing video on my PC. I will choose this video. So click on Insert. So how to trim it? So first of all, go to Playback, Trim Video. This shows. And then I want to slide it to here. You can also slide this, drag this end time, and also drag the start time. And to set the start time to 0, and the end time to 1:14.924. You can also type here if you want. The start time, you can also type the start time and also the end time, and it shows the duration here. So let's click on OK. Then, and what we want to do is we need to add a rectangle here. So how to do this? Well, go to Insert, Shapes, and then I am going to choose this rectangle. So I am drawing the rectangle from here to here. And what I want to do is I want to do no outline here, and I want the shape fill to be navy blue. And what if we add some text? To add text, go to Insert and click on text box here and draw a text box to it. I'm drawing a text box to here, to straight here, and to name it, I am going to type here how to edit and create videos using PowerPoint. And click on the edge of the text box. Here is the font type, and here I want to choose this Rockwell Extra Bold, and I want the font color to be white, and I want to set the font size to 36. Yeah, and click here, and you can also drag this if you want. No, not 36. So I'm in 30. Yes, not looking bad. And I want it to be here. Then what we need to do? I want to add another rectangle here. So again go to Insert, Shapes, and I am again choosing this rectangle, and I am drawing it from here to straight here. Again, setting the color to navy blue and shape outline to blank. So I am going to tell you how to copy and paste it in the same shape in a straight line. So I am again pressing Ctrl Shift and pressing it, and I am putting it here. So what about my video? Well, it would not be showing. So let's again go to Insert, Shapes. Now I'm going to choose a circle, oval, as my video's circle. So I'm again drawing the circle from here to here to here. Yes, here, and again sending it again here, the rectangle. So I am pressing Ctrl and selecting it, but first you need to select the rectangle, then the object. So merge shapes, select merge shapes. Here you need to use combine, fragment or subtract. I am choosing subtract. Yes, it is looking good. Perfect. And how to create this video? So go to File, Export, click on this, create a video, and then again click on this, create a video, create video, and I want to name it created video, and then click on save. It will take time to save. This showing. So let's wait until it saves. Yes, it saved it. So let's see how the video look like. Hello Scratcher. So this is I'm setting the volume to 0. Yes, so it was the video that we have edited. So it looks like this. Let's pause it. Yes, this is the video that we have created. Now I am moving my camera. Yes, my video is also showing here. Perfect. I hope friends you like this video. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in next video, and for now, bye bye.